Welcome back. Today I will solve exercise 3.3. Question number first. Prove that sine square pi by 6 plus cos square pi by 3 minus tan square pi by 4 is equal to 1. So that these values are 1. So now take a LHS sine square pi by 6 plus cos square pi by 3 minus tan square pi by 4. Since pi is equal to 180, so pi upon 6 means 180 upon 6, so 30 degree, and also pi by 3 is equal to 180 upon 3 is equal to 60 degree, and pi by 4 is equal to 180 divided by 4 is equal to 45 degree. Now this value put here. Sine square 30 degree plus cos square 60 degree minus tan square 45 degree. So sine square 30 degree, sine 30 square plus cos 60 degree square and minus tan 45 degree square. So square this means written as in this form. So now sine 30 degree, value of trigonometry table angle. So ratio of trigonometry angle table. So sine 30, value of sine 30 is equal to 1 by 2 square, and cos 60 degree, these value are 1 by 2 square minus tan 45 degree is equal to 1 square. So now 1 by 2, 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2, 1 by 4 minus 1. So now taking LCM get 4. So now 4 divided by 4 get 1, multiply by 1 get 1, and plus 4 divided by 4 get 1, so multiply by 1 get 1, and minus, so 4 is equal to, this is also minus 1 by 2. Prove that. So now 2 minus 4 upon 4 is equal to minus 2 upon 4 is equal to 2 is equal to minus 1 by 2. This is right hand side. So prove the. So prove that, question number first, prove that sine square pi upon 6 plus cos square pi by 3 minus tan square pi by 4 is equal to minus 1. So now taking LHS, so write down, so sine pi by 6, so trigonometry ratio table angle. So sine pi by 6 means 30 degree, so sine 30 degree 1 by 2, and cos pi by 3 degree means cos 60 degree 1 by 2, and tan pi by 4 45, tan 45 get 1. So can you solve and get result minus 1 by 2, that is proved. Question number 2, 2 sin square pi by 6 plus cosec square 7 pi by 6 into cos square pi by 3 is equal to 3 by 2. So now taking LHS, so 2 sin square pi by 6 plus cosec square 7 pi by 6 into cos square pi by 3. So also can write 2 sin pi by 6 whole square and cosec 7 pi by 6 whole square into cos pi by 3 whole square. So 2 and pi sin pi by 6 value 1 by 2 square and plus cosec not 7 pi upon 6 not present in the table, so you can solve cosec pi plus pi by 6. So 6 pi plus pi is 7 upon 6 pi, 7 pi upon 6, and cos pi by 3 cos 60, so pi by pi 60 1 by 2 whole square, and also 2 into 1 by 4 and this is square, so whole square. Cosec pi plus pi by 6, so cosec pi plus theta, so cosec pi present pi, so ratio not will change, so not will change, so cosec theta and third quadrant this is negative value, so minus cosec pi by 6 whole square into 1 by 4, and also 1 by 4, so this is 1 by 2 plus minus 2 cosec pi by 6, so value 2 and square into 1 by 4, and 1 upon 2 minus square plus, so 4 into 1 by 4, this is cancel out, so 1 by 2 plus 1, so 3 by 2. This is RHS proved. Question number 4. Question number 3, you can solve itself. So question number 4, 2 sin square 3 pi by 4 plus 2 cos square pi by 4 plus 2 sec square pi by 3 is equal to 10. So taking LHS, 2 sin square 3 pi by 4 plus 2 cos square pi by 4 plus 2 sec square pi by 3. So this is not value in trigonometry ratio table, so as change in another form, so sin square pi minus pi by 4, so 4 pi minus pi 3 pi by 4, and plus 2 cos pi by 4, so 45 cos 45, so 1 by root 2 whole square, and plus 2 cos sec pi by 3, so 60, so sec 2 whole square, and also 2 sin pi minus theta, since sin pi minus theta is equal to sin pi, so pi not change ratio, so can write sin and theta, value of this positive or negative. So pi minus theta, so second quadrant the value of sine will positive, so sine positive, so sine pi by 4 square pi by 4 and plus 2 into 1 by 2 plus 2 into 4 and 2 cancel out and 2 sin pi by 4 1 upon root 2 whole square plus 1 plus 8 and also you can write 2 into 1 by 2 and plus 8 plus 1 9, so cancel out 1 plus 9 is equal to 10. This is RHS. Question number 5. Find the value of sine 75 degree. So 75 degree sine not present in table of ratio trigonometry angle. So you can change another form. So solution of this question. So sine given sine 75 degree. Also you can change sine 45 degree plus 30 degree. So this is 45 plus 30 degree. So sine since sine A plus B is equal to sine A cos B plus cos A sine B or sine AX plus Y. So sine x cos y plus cos x sine y or sine A plus B is equal to sine A cos B plus cos A sine B. So now according to this formula, so we can write sine 45 degree into cos 30 degree plus cos 45 degree into sine 30 degree. So now value of sine 45 1 upon root 2 into cos 30 root 3 by 2 plus cos 45 1 upon root 2 and sine 30 1 by 2. So root 3 into 1, so root 3 upon 2 root 2 and plus 1 into 1 1 and 2 root 2. Now taking LCM 2 root 2, so this is cancel out, divide by this, so get 1 multiply by root 3 get root 3 and also divide by this, so get 1 multiply by 1, so 1. So root 3 plus 1 upon 2 root 2. Also rationalize root 2 in this question, so multiply by root 2 into root 2. So multiply by this, so get so root 3 plus 1 upon 2 root 2. So rationalize this root 2 multiply by root 2. So this is not way, so you can solve also is this pattern. So root 3 plus 1 into root 2 multiply and 2 and root 2 get 2. So root 2 multiply by this, so root and root multiply by this, so irrational multiply by irrational, so get 6 and plus root 2 upon 4. This is answer. And second part you can solve in this way. Question number 6. Solve the following. Cos pi by 4 minus x, cos pi by 4 minus y minus sin pi by 4 minus x into sin pi by 4 minus y is equal to get sin x plus y. So now taking LHS, so cos pi by 4 minus x into cos pi by 4 minus y and minus sin pi by 4 minus x and into sin pi by 4 minus y. Since cos A into cos B minus sin A into sin B, so cos A plus B. So pi 4 minus x and also plus pi by 4 minus y. So since cos A cos B minus sin A into sin B is equal to cos A plus B. So use this formula in this way, so you can write cos and this angle plus. So now you can solve. So cos this is formula गलत. Solve the following question. Cos pi by 4 minus x into cos pi by 4 minus y minus sin pi by 4 minus x into sin pi by 4 minus y is equal to sin x plus y. So now taking LHS, so cos pi by 4 minus x into cos pi by 4 minus y minus sin pi by 4 minus x into sin pi by 4 minus y. So cos A cos B minus sin A into sin B. So you can solve cos A plus B. So pi by 4 minus x and plus also pi by 4 this minus y. So since cos A cos B minus sin A sin B into is equal to cos A plus B. This formula use in this way, so you can write this. So cos pi by 4 plus pi by 4 minus x minus y. Also you can write cos pi by 4 plus pi by 4 get pi by 2 and minus common out x plus y. So cos pi by 2 minus theta, cos 90 minus theta, so get sin theta. So sin theta means x plus y. So value of cos positive or negative, so pi by 2 says minus theta, pi 90 minus theta in present first quadrant. So cos value of cos positive, so x plus sin x plus y. So this is plus sin x plus y, sin x plus y. This is answer. Question number 7. So tan pi by 4 plus x upon tan pi by 4 minus x is equal to 1 plus tan x upon 1 minus tan whole square. So now taking LHS, you can prove we find RHS. So taking LHS, so tan pi by 4 plus x and upon tan pi by 4 minus x. So now get tan a plus b. Since so tan a plus b, tan a plus tan b, so tan pi by 4 plus tan x upon 1 minus tan 1 minus tan pi by 4 into tan x. Since tan a plus b is equal to tan a plus tan b upon 1 minus tan a into tan b, are negative minus, so minus and also plus. So you can write tan pi by 4 plus x. So tan pi by 4 plus tan x upon 1 minus tan pi by 4 into tan x, and also upon. So this is this way, and tan a minus b. So tan a minus b. So we can write tan pi by 4 minus tan x upon 1 plus tan pi by 4 into tan x. So get tan pi by 4 means tan 45 value 1 plus tan x upon, so 1 minus 1 into tan x upon also tan 45 tan pi by 4 value 1 minus tan x upon 1 plus tan 1 value pi by 4 1 and tan x. So this can you write 1 plus tan x upon 1 minus tan x, and also 1 minus tan x upon 1 plus tan x. So first into last, get numerator 1 plus tan x into 1 plus tan x upon 1 minus tan x and 1 minus tan x. So 1 plus tan x whole square upon 1 minus tan x whole square. So 1 plus tan x upon 1 minus tan x whole square. This is right hand side proved. Question number 8. Cos pi plus x into cos minus x upon sin pi minus x into cos pi by 2 plus x. So get cot square x. Now taking LHS. So this cos 180 plus theta. So cos So get cos x, and so these value positive or negative, so present in third quadrant, so this is negative value, and into cos minus theta, so this is also cos 360 minus theta, so this is theta cos theta, so present in fourth quadrant, so this is positive value. So cos minus x, so cos x value positive, and upon, so sin pi minus theta, so sin pi 180 minus, so not change ratio, so sin, so sin x present in second quadrant, so value of sin positive, so sin x into cos pi by 2 plus x, so pi by 2 plus x, so cos 90 plus x, so sin x, value of this, so present in second quadrant, so cos is negative, so value of this negative, so minus cancel out, cos into cos square x upon sin into sin square x, so this is a cos x upon sin x whole square, and this is cos upon sin cot x whole square, and also you can write cot square x. This is right hand side proved. Question number 9. Cos 3 pi by 2 plus x and cos 2 pi plus x in bracket cot 3 pi by 2 minus x plus cot 2 pi plus x is equal to 1. Now taking LHS, cos 3 pi by 2 plus x and also cos 2 pi plus x, and in bracket cos 3 by pi by 2 minus x and plus cot 2 pi plus x. So since 3 pi by 2, so 3 into 180 upon 2, 290, and so 290, so 93, 270, and also 2 pi is equal to 180 is equal to 360. So now these value, this in this case, so we can find cos 3 pi by 2 means 270 plus x. So this is 270, the ratio of trigonometry will change cos, so get sin, so x, value of cos, so value of cos in present fourth quadrant, so this is cos value positive, so sin x, and cos 2 pi means 360, cos 360 plus x, so 360 not change ratio, so can write cos, and x, value of cos 360 plus x present in first quadrant, so this is value of positive, and also you can write cos 270 minus x, cos 270 minus x, so cos change into sin and x, value of cos, so this 270 minus x present in third quadrant, so this is minus, So this is minus and plus cot 2 pi 360 plus x. So cot, there is no change ratio, so cot and x, and present in first quadrant. So this is positive value cot. So this is cot and cot. So this cot, this positive, so cot tan x. Cot 270 minus theta, so cot, this change ratio tan x, and positive value this third quadrant cot tan positive, so this is positive. So sin x into cos x, and also can repeat once again. So cos 3 pi plus x, so cos 270 plus x, so 270, in this case ratio will be changed, cos sin, cos change into sin, so x, value of cos, so 270 plus x present in fourth quadrant, so this is cos positive value, so sin positive. And also 2 pi means 360 plus x, so 360, there is no change ratio, cos to cos and x to x, and value of cos, this is first quadrant cos, value positive, so cos x. Also 270, cot 270 minus x, so 270, in case cot ratio change, tan x means x, tan x, cot 270 minus x, so tan x, value of cot, so present in third quadrant, so cot value positive, so tan x positive. Also cot 360 plus x, so 360, there is no change ratio, cot written cot and x to x, value of cot positive or negative, so first quadrant in present, so cot value positive, so cot x. And also can you change sin tan x is equal to, in this sin and cos ratio, so sin x upon cos x, and plus cos x upon sin x. So now taking LCM, sin x cos x, so cos cancel out, so sin square x plus sin cancel, cos square x. So write down sin x into cos x. So this is cancel out, sin square x plus cos square x, get this is identity, cos square x plus sin square x is equal to 1. This is one right hand side proved. Question number 10. Prove that sin in bracket n plus 1 into x, sin n plus 2 into x plus cos n plus 1 into x, cos n plus 2 into x, get cos x. So taking LHS, can you prove sin n plus 1 into x, sin n plus 2 into x plus cos n plus 1 into x, cos n plus 2 into x, and also you can write cos n plus 1 into x into cos n plus 2 into x, and also plus sin n plus 1 into x and sin n plus 2 into x. Cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. So you can write cos n plus 1 into x minus n plus 2 into x. So since cos A cos B plus sin A into sin B is equal to cos A minus B. So use this formula, can you calculate in this way. So cos this multiply by this, so nx plus x minus nx minus 2x. So nx means cancel out. So cos x minus 2x. So get cos minus x. So since cos 360 minus theta or cos minus theta is equal to cos theta. This is formula, cos minus theta is equal to cos theta. So can you write this? So this. So also this is value of positive. So this is value of positive cos x. Proved. And RHS. Question number 11. Cos 3 pi by 4 plus x minus cos 3 pi by 4 minus x is equal to minus root 2x. Now taking LHS. So you can write cos 3 pi by 4 plus x minus cos 3 pi by 4 minus x. Since cos x minus cos y is equal to minus 2 sin x plus y upon 2 into sin x minus y by 2. So this is formula, can you change minus 2 sin 3 pi by 4 plus x plus 3 pi by 4 minus x upon 2 into sin 3 pi by 4 plus x minus 3 pi by 4 minus x. So upon 2. So this is formula, cos x minus cos y is equal to minus 2 sin x plus y upon 2 sin x minus y upon 2. So also cos x and cos y. So minus 2 sin this plus this upon 2 and sin this minus this upon 2. Can you solve? So minus 2 sin. So cancel out. So this is 3 pi plus 3 pi pi, yani 6 pi upon 4 or upon 2. And also sin. So sin 3 pi by 4 plus x minus 3 pi by 4 plus, so this is plus x upon 2. So this is cancel out and this calculate minus 2 sin 6 pi by 4 into 2. 2 cancel out, 2 3. So and sin 2x, sin x 2x upon 2 cancel out. So minus 2 sin 3 pi by 4 and sin x. And also you can write minus 2 sine pi minus pi by 4 and sine x. So sine, this is also can write minus 2 and sine 180 minus theta. So sine pi by 4 and 180. So second quadrant, this is value of positive and into sine x. And also you can write this value. So minus 2 sine pi by 4 into sine x is equal to minus 2 and 1 upon root 2 sine x. So now 2 can you write root 2 into root 2 upon root 2 sine x, and root 2 cancel out, minus root 2 sine x. This is RHS proved. Question number 12. Sine square 6x minus sine square 4x is equal to sine 2x into sine 10x. So now taking LHS. So sine square 6x minus sine square 4x. We know that sine square A minus sine square B is equal to sine A plus B into sine A minus B. This formula you can use this way. So we get sine 6x plus 4x into 6x minus 4x. So you can write sine 10x into sine 2x. So also you can change sine 2x into sine 10x. So this is RHS proved that. That's all.